हम बात कर रहे थे ऑफ कैमरा, आपने बताया कि बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं प्रेग्नेंट औरतें कर सकती हैं या नहीं कर
जी
सकती.
जी definitely, why not? I have got people who have come in the 9th month of pregnancy. Yeah, so I'm sure one person, I won't say the name due to privacy, but one person, a very famous person, entire India knows. Okay. So she delivered a good, healthy child, last month during Diwali. 2 days before, she was right here at my clinic getting adjusted. So, देखिए, pregnancy is a very beautiful journey. It's a 9-month journey. So, imagine, Vinamra, you are X amount of weight. Yeah, you conceived. So, there are a lot of changes that happen. Musculoskeletal changes. You tend to, get a lot of weight, which consists of fat, water. You have to accumulate the baby.
Your
for the-
knees are gonna hurt because you're
Exactly.
heavier.
Yes, because you are not used to that weight. Yeah, and you need to get used to that weight. So that a hell lot of changes that happen. अभी people को बहुत people have a lot of skepticism कि यार ऐसा जोर से कर दिया तो बेबी को तो नुकसान नहीं होगा, ऐसे खींच दिया तो नुकसान होता है कि नहीं होता. No, in that time during your pregnancy, as I said, at my clinic we have a tailored program. We give tailored adjustments that suits a patient's need. So adjustments, thrusts, techniques are different for pregnant women, and they are different for normal women. Also, the beds at my clinic are different for pregnant women and are different for normal women.
अंडरस्टूड. एंड आप किस तरह के मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर्स का टैंडम में काम करते हो? जैसे ऐसा होता है ना कि ऑर्थोपेडिक और फिजियो साथ में काम करते हैं, साइकाइट्रिस्ट साइकोलॉजिस्ट साथ में काम करते हैं. सो डू कायरोप्रैक्टर स्टैंड अलोन?
Yes. For me, yes. I just work alone.
Any reason for that? Do you not feature in someone's modality of treatment?
No, the thing is, I would like, so there's a difference of thoughts always.
If you want to watch small segments of the podcast, subscribe to Dostcast Clips.
Yeah. Even if you take two nice orthopedicians, you take any two, professionals from any field, they always have a difference of opinion. देखिए, एक चीज़ हमें नहीं भूलना चाहिए विनम्र, everybody is doing a very nice job. आप अच्छा काम करें, maybe, orthopedics people, if you see, MD medicine people or, GPs, they're doing a good job. That's why people go to them.
Right.
And everyone has a different school of thought. Simple example, मेरी स्कूल ऑफ थॉट मेरे फादर से डिफरेंट है, आपकी स्कूल ऑफ थॉट आपके फादर से डिफरेंट है.
Sure.
सेम फील्ड में इफ सपोज आई एम चैटिंग विद एनी कायरोप्रैक्टर, माई स्कूल ऑफ थॉट इज डिफरेंट देन हिम, बट एट वन एंड वी मर्ज.
Sure.
बट हमारा एडजस्टमेंट्स का तरीका अलग होगा, हमारा पेशेंट को असेसमेंट करने का तरीका अलग होगा, उसको आगे गाइडेंस देने का तरीका अलग होगा. सो दिस वे, तो टू इन ऑर्डर टू नॉट हैव दैट लाइक वो बोलते ना, two sheep shouldn't lock their horn, or that's disaster. So I work on my own, and I equally respect
Right.
the people, like I heavily respect orthopedicians. See, there are certain cases in which you have to take their help. Example, fracture cases hai, extreme cases of disc compression hai. Obviously, they help you a lot. Spine specialist. Yeah. Yes. So they, they really are doing a good job. For example, you have a completely crushed spine, or you have a lot of what do you call? We use a term called as just a sec.
I can look it up if you want.
No, wait. Yeah. So yeah. So I, the spine specialists are doing a really commendable job in their own way. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे कि बहुत सारे केसेस होते हैं जिसमें सीवियर कनाल स्टेनोसिस होता है, पेशेंट कांट इवन स्टैंड फॉर अ मिनट. सो दिस इज वेयर दे कम इन, दे यूज देयर ओन एक्सपर्टीज. Sometimes they do invasive surgeries, sometimes they do non-invasive surgeries. I have also met a lot of spine specialists there who actually tell patients, एक काम करिए, आप एडजस्टमेंट्स लेके आइए, उससे आप सही हो जाएंगे, अगर नहीं होता है तो हम बैठे हैं. People are changing, scenarios are changing. Orthopedics also, I mean, see, we also sometimes refer to them. even they also refer to us. So the people who have knowledge about this field
Right.
or people who have undergone, yeah, they definitely, we help each other because it's the same community. But still, if you ask me personally, I would prefer to work alone.